Leadership is relationship work. You don't lead tasks, you lead humans, and humans need connection, clarity, and communication, not just direction. When you understand that leadership is built on relationships, everything else, trust, accountability, collaboration, starts to fall into place. Your ideas can be brilliant, but if you can't influence, collaborate, or resolve conflict, they won't land. Social skills are the bridge between what you know and how you lead. Leadership isn't about always being right. It's about helping people feel seen, heard, and part of something bigger. People will rarely remember what you said, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. Strong social skills help you navigate difficult conversations without avoiding or exploding, give feedback that's honest and respectful, build rapport with people who think differently than you. These are the real superpowers of leadership. They don't just make you liked, they make you effective. Here's a small but powerful language shift. Instead of saying, "You didn't communicate this clearly, try." "I felt confused when I read the message. Could we walk through it together?" See the difference? One creates defensiveness, the other creates dialogue. That's the heart of emotionally intelligent communication. Here's a reality every leader needs to hear. You won't always say it right, and that's okay. What builds trust isn't perfection, it's repair. A simple follow-up like, "Hey, I've been thinking about what I said. Can I clarify?" goes a long way. It shows humility, care, and accountability, three traits every great leader carries quietly but consistently. If you're ready to grow this skill, comment social below, and I'll send you a Courageous Conversations tip sheet, 3 language shifts to handle conflict with clarity, and a follow-up script to help you repair trust when things get tense. And remember, social skills are what make leadership human. They're the glue that holds everything else together. And that brings us to the end of this emotional intelligence series. If you'd like the full guide, please comment EI below, and I'll send it your way. You'll get all 5 pillars, reflection tools, and simple daily practices to help you lead with more clarity, confidence, and connection, because emotional intelligence isn't something you master once. It's something you practice every day, so keep leading with intention, keep building trust. When you grow and rise, your team rises with you.